The objective of exercise 14 is to familiarize you with the command line tool to provision accounts. Before we begin the exercise, we need to run the exercise preparation tool from the airlift folder. Again, fill in your tertiary domain, this time from the module lab demo name dropdown. Let's pick import of CSV file and click OK. Our accounts are pre-generated, and now we can look at that CSV file to see what kind of format it's in. It's also located in the My Computer C drive import CSV folder. Notice now we have a users 02.csv, right click and open with Notepad. So here we go. We have our username and we have our password right here. One thing is missing though. Do you know what it is? It's the header information. This CSV file won't import without the header information. Let's add that header information in. Click before the W, in your first user on your list, and type in member name, comma, password, and hit the enter key. When that's done, close the CSV file. Now we need to open a command prompt and navigate to the directory where the command line application is installed. You can install this when you install the SDK tools just about anywhere on the drive that you wish. I have mine at the root of C, and the one on your virtual machine is also going to be at the root of C. First, let's enumerate our members in the domain by typing this command. Command line is the application used at the command line to import files into Windows Live. Then we need to call out our domain, which is wledutraining.com. Yours will be your tertiary domain. Next, we need to put our administrator in there, so it's a -AU for that, colon, administrator at wledutraining.com. Then we need to call out our administrator password, so that's -AP. And finally, to enumerate members, it's just EU. So let's hit enter. We're signed into the service, and it gives us a list. We have 42 total members. Next, we'll import our CSV file by typing this command. It's similar to what we typed before, using both the domain and the administrator credentials, but instead of the -EU, we need to type in -F colon C colon / import CSV / users02.csv. Hit the enter key. And our members are added. We can also use the command line application to manually add a member to the domain using this command. Again, we call out the domain, the administrator credentials, and -A tells the program we want to add a member, and -M calls out the member name, note that we don't want to use our domain portion of the email address in this member name, and then call out a password. And our member is added.